In this episode, it's time to rip off Old Car Auto Guy and do a miles to empty challenge in Project Low Fairmont. Welcome to the channel. My name is Grant Tommy. This is Straight Six Fan, where I like to focus on budget-minded, relatable, creative builds, a little something I like to call offbeat hot rodding. And as mentioned in the startup screen there, we got to run Project Low Fairmont out of gas so I can address the fuel sending unit in this thing, drop the tank, and we can be on our way with performance mods after I get this done. But I want to take you back to this Sunday when I got a chance to joyride the thing and to do just that. Alright, so it is Sunday, May 5th, Cinco de Mayo, and just taking old Project Low Fairmont out for a drive. Beautiful day, 80-degree weather. I don't know when this is going to be posted. I have no clue at all. But I should probably turn right here. This thing likes to stall on the first kind of acceleration point after it's been running. So I better not, it's a busy highway. I better turn right where I can roll off onto the shoulder. And it looks like we are gonna make it. Yes, okay. Anyway, objective is miles to empty. I mentioned it a couple videos back, of course, up over here. Info card there. It's time to get the fuel sending unit done on this car. So I need to run this thing out of gas so I can drop the tank. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, get it all the way to empty today, but I'm just gonna kind of drive until I get bored with it. And gotta say, since that last video, I've already put a decent amount of miles on it. So guys, leave your guesses. How many miles do you think I actually get on this thing before it runs out of fuel? The goal today is at least put a, I don't know, 40 to 50 spot on it. So anyway, like I said, I have no clue when this is gonna go up. Just driving to be driving. It is awesome, but it is getting stuffy in here, so I want to roll the windows down. Guys, we'll pick this back up here in a bit. So I was lucky enough that started sputtering out right where there was a right-hand turn lane, and I was able to pull off into this median. So anyway, hey, surprise, surprise, I did it all in one day. I'll go back and do the math here at home, but I've got about, probably over a gallon to get me home, and it's probably only like 7 miles tops from here. So anyway, thanks for coming along. Alright, so I'm back, and actually it did only take me one day. I pushed it a little further than the amount of miles I wanted to drive in one day, just because I thought, you know what, you've got the time, why not keep going? What else do you have to do today? So I did run this thing out of fuel today. So go ahead and leave your guesses below for how many miles you think I made on empty. So go ahead and leave your guesses, estimations, your choices in the comments below. As for a prize, How about this? I will let you pick. No, I'm not gonna let you pick. Yeah, I'll let you pick. Between a straight 6-fan Pistons tee or a 30s 60s 198 tee, I will go ahead and whoever gets closest to that, yeah, we'll do it that way. I did want to clear up, you have to be in either Canada or the 50 states. I suppose if you're somehow in like Guam or Puerto Rico, I can probably ship that to you fairly cheap, but I don't know. For now, let's just say it's Canada and all 50 states. That'll do it for this episode. Like, comment, share, definitely share, or subscribe. I don't care. Actually, I guess if you share, your odds go down for a t-shirt. But anyway, I did want to mention Old Car Auto Guy, since this is who I'm ripping off for an episode. Kind of sweet. Silverado just drove by. It's like lowered. Squirrel! The co-host to the Car Guy and 6-Fan Show. While we did just wrap up Season 1 for the Car Guy and 6-Fan Show, go check out his channel because we are going to fire that back up towards the end of June after a little bit of a hiatus. Season 2, and it's going to be bigger, badder, and better than ever. So it's a pretty rewarding and fun live stream for the two of us to have. We've experienced a lot of growth because of it. Helped grow some other channels. So anyway, enough of me blabbing on. That'll do it for this episode. Until next time, peace out.